Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends in the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you can see under the profile section the third option, which is invite friends. Just press on it. And here you can just see, if you scroll down a little bit, your referral code, which you can just copy and paste wherever you want. You can also copy and paste this referral link down below. You can just click on it and paste wherever you want to whoever you want. Or if nothing else, you can just press on share invite link down below. And you can share this link basically in the following applications that you can see. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.